Congress top leader Rahul Gandhi itubar yatra jai thaka Assam state ti gushi jaigena alag rasta ti police khanbra road block kugena yatra journey rukai thaka witness kubo pare ase. Congress party official report ti state police khan ja kali 5,000 opor Congress workers Kanapara road loigena Guwahati jai thaka adamti rasta pura puri block kulushe aro lathi charge sur kurgena kunpa Congress leaders khan pi jokhum kuri dishe koigena report dia ase. Reported to police official of Assam police khan hatsa ula jakate thakshe ulipi yatra journey loigena Guwahati city jabole naparibo koi dishe ko ase. Congress party statement ti itu development ani thakya tu Congress party khan bra Himanta Biswa Sharma opor criticize kuri dia karni road block kuri diena yatra journey rukai thakya Rahul Gandhi statement kuri dia ase. Aro tai university student khan ki address kuribole program kuri thakya cancel kuri dishe ulipi Rahul Gandhi bus opor khara kurgena student khan ki phuina khabole message pathai dishe kili Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma bra University Authority khan ki Rahul Gandhi laga address icha na kuribole order kuri digena road block kuri dishe ko ase. Khoborte Zileng Naga inhabited of Manipur Assam aro Nagaland state te thakya jati laga sobse dangor festival Gangai ja kali Longjaun Bosti Noni district bra held kurlogena ja kali Zileng community khan traditional song traditional drum beating cultural dance khan milaigena showcase kurloshe ko ase. Sources te Zileng Naga jati khan laga release team festival to hafta lamba celebrate kuri thakya laga thakishe ulipi state bhitor rukhabole napara law and order situation ulai thakya karni ek din special ulagena celebration dangor rakhiloshe ko ase. Aro festival of post harvest celebration kurgena ja thakya opoti Manipur governor Anushya Yuki aro chief minister and Biren Singh dujon pi festival greeting pathai digena traditionally ek hafta celebration kuri thakya itubar state bhitor curfew impose karni ek din hi rakhiloshe koigena khobor dia ase. Manipur state unrest law and order situation ti combined security force khan operation launch kurgena alag red operation ti combined forces khan tu atta improvised explosive device IED Mori town area ti recover kurlogena curfew impose kuri thakya 36 hours relax kurloshe koi dia ase. Report te IED khan tu front of Mori custom preventive force laga drain aro kunpa IED khan bra Mori town parking area ti recover kurbo parshe koigena state police khan khobor dia ase. Aro itu IED recover kurla tuli Assam Rifle Khan security coordination meeting tactical headquarter Mori Tingnopol district bhitor Monday din alag officers khan jama kurgena meeting rakhilo apcheti red operation sur kur disha aro recover kurlogena thakya Manipur state police personnel jonai dia ase. Aro next khobor ti ekta globally effect kurgena jai thakya report ti US aro British force khan Monday generating second tarikh ti fresh round of strike Yemen te mar digena Houthis underground storage site aro Iran allied group khan bra Red Sea shipping mar thaka target ti strike kur dishe koigena report dia ase. Yemen te bishipak Houthis khan bra control kuri thakya attack opor koi dia sabtu tai khan laga attack toili Gaza Strip area ti Palestine aro Israel macheti solidarity karni thakshe koi dishe ulipi Houthis khan laga attack karni global shipping disrupted hoi jaigena globally affect kuri thakya official report pailoi ase. Itu karni US aro British khan tu ja percent din strike milaigena atta strike rakhiloshe ko ase kili Houthis khan bora Red Sea area ti shipping opor attack kuri thakia rukhabo karni mar di shekoigena strike opor clear kuri dia ase. Next khobor te backdrop of peace shanti karni first time Kuki aro Naga armed group khan openly kam kurbon miti working committee on Naga National Political Group NNPGs aro Kuki National Organization KNO khan joint declaration historic pact on unity sign kurlogina Union of India opor alag alag political settlement fesla kurlobo koi dia ase. Poti joint declaration to itusal January 2 tarik Imphal te meeting rakhilo apcheti Kitovi Jimomi convener NNPGs aro PS Hokip president of KNO sign kulosha aro thorough deliberation and discussion team social political and inter-community issue decade opor ahija particularly Manipur state team Twitter side pi agree kurlogina ikilogo kam kurbo aro now and future karni Union of India logina kotha kurbo ko ase. Reported working committee NNPGs khan to umbrella body of 7 Naga militant outfit since 2017 bra central government logina separate talk rakhe ase aro Kuki National Organization KNO consists of 17 Kuki armed group currently government of India logina separate territorial council for Kukiland Manipur state te demand kurgena ja ase aro formal meeting Imphal te kotha kurlo apcheti KNO president laga residence Churachandpur district ti dangur khana khaigina meeting khotom kurlo she koi thaka viewers khan ke junai dia ase.